Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 60 on this side. Then here, we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. Is same thing as p log m. That is, here, what we have becomes x log 5 equals to log 60 on this side. The next step here, divide both side by log 5. That is, divide this side by log 5. Also, divide this side by log 5, which implies that log 5 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 60 over log 5. The next step here, you can write 60 as 5 times 12. And this becomes x equals to log 5 times 12 over log 5. Then yeah, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, we can write this as log a plus log b. This here we have x equals to log 5 plus log 12 over log 5. That is, separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 12 over log 5. And here, log 5 cancel each other. We have one left, which implies x equals to 1 plus log 12 over log 5. Then also from here, we can write 12 as 4 times 3. That is, here, this becomes x equals to 1 plus log 4 times 3 over log 5. That is, here this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 4 plus log 3 over log 5. Then we separate it into two fractions, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 4 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. That is, also here, 4 can be written as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 2 squared over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. That is, we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes there, and we have x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. This here we have x equals to 1 plus, when we apply change of base from when we have log a over log b, which same thing as log a to base b. And here we have 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here in this problem, which is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. That is, what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 is this equals to 60 on this side. This we apply the law of indices. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And here we have 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? 5 raised to power 1, that's 5 times. Reverse this 12 from power log. We have 5 raised to power log 2 square, which is 4 base 5 times also 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Then we apply the law of logarithm. When we have a raised to power log b to base a, this is equals to ba, and we have 5 times 4 times 3. Is it equals to 60 on this side? And 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3, 60, which is equals to 60 on this side. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos. And turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next lesson. Bye for now.